Hello everyone, Derek Smith here from Comprehensive Credit Repair, and today I have another credit repair tip for you. It's how to get your free credit report. Let's begin by examining what exactly is a credit report. So most of you already know what a credit report is, but let's go over the basics real quick just in case. Credit reports are sometimes referred to as credit files or your credit history. They are compiled by the three major credit reporting agencies, aka the credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Let's look at what kind of information is on your credit report. Your credit report includes information such as your name, your social security number, current and previous addresses, current and former employers, credit card and loan payments, credit inquiries, collection accounts, and public records such as bankruptcies, judgments, foreclosures, and tax liens. Each one of those accounts listed on your credit report will show the date the account was established, your payment history, your credit limit, and the type of account that you have, such as mortgage, installment, revolving, collection, etc. Let's talk about how you get your free annual report. By law, under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, you're entitled to a free copy of your credit report annually from each of the three major credit bureaus. In addition, several states offer an additional free credit report per year, including Colorado, Georgia, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, Vermont, and those are the ones. Your free annual credit report contains the same information that is found on a paid credit report, your open and closed financial accounts, and your payment history for each. You'll generally find payment history for loans, credit cards, and revolving lines of credit. You may also see rental payments if you rent an apartment. How do you order a free credit report? If you're getting your free annual credit report, you can order them online through annualcreditreport.com. This website will let you order all three of your free credit reports at once with no obligations and no hidden fees. You may have to provide some personal information in order to confirm your identity before ordering, but you will not be charged if you use this site. Please note that if you use this free credit report to file a dispute with the credit bureaus, they have 45 days to investigate your dispute instead of the typical 30-day time frame that they normally have. Let me give you a couple other ways to get a free credit report. The free annual credit report is available to everybody in the United States. But in addition to that, you can also get a free report directly from a credit bureau if you've been denied credit. You have 60 days from the time you are notified of the denial to request your report. Your request must also be with the credit bureau that was used to check your credit. If you are ordering a free state report or you are getting a free report due to any of the other factors that I've talked about, you need to contact the credit bureaus directly. Equifax and TransUnion make it easy to order these free reports online, but to get your free Experian credit report, you may need to give them a call. The contact information and links for each are down below. Remember, keep track of when you order your reports and from which bureaus so that you know when you're eligible to order your next credit report for free. Can you get a free credit score too? Unfortunately, the law does not mandate that credit bureaus give you a free credit score with your free credit reports. However, there are companies out there you can get your credit score from, and I have one listed down below that you can get for $1. There are also several credit card companies that offer a free credit report. You can often order your credit score alongside your free credit report for an additional fee as well from the credit bureaus. However, these scores are considered FACOs as they're not real FICO scores, the scores that lenders actually use. While the Vantage score, the credit score created by the credit bureaus to compete with Fair Isaac, which is the main credit reporting source, is used by some businesses and institutions. The vast majority still rely on FICO scores to make credit decisions. So before you pay for any credit score, make sure that it's one that will be useful to you. If you want to monitor your credit reports and credit scores monthly, you might want to consider a credit monitoring service. And again, I put one down below for you that you can use. Can you get more than one free credit report per year? If you've already ordered your legally mandated free credit reports for the year and you don't live in a state where you are entitled to an additional free report, there are still several situations which qualify you for an additional free credit report. One is negative actions as a result of your credit report, such as being denied for credit or a loan, being denied for insurance, being passed over for employment, being denied a government license or benefit, or having an adverse action for either of these. Being denied or having an unfavorable action happening on another account, such as interest rates raised on your credit accounts, being denied a credit line increase, etc. Another reason to get them is hardships that make it difficult to maintain positive credit, such as you're currently unemployed and are planning to seek employment within the next 60 days, you're receiving or have recently received public welfare assistance, and you believe that your credit file may be inaccurate due to fraud or identity theft. Let's take a look at how you can dispute inaccurate information on your credit report. If you find inaccurate or questionable information on your credit report, you can dispute the errors with the credit bureau. I also offer a credit repair service that will help you do the same thing. I can give you the help you need to get rid of negative items on your credit reports. All right, hopefully this is giving you an idea of what your credit report actually is and how you can get your hands on it. I want to thank you very much for your time, and I hope this tip helped you, and I'll see you on the next video.